How are y'all guys doing? It's your boy Jermaine back with another video, and I will be feeding all the hog noses today, all the boys, all the girls, all 6 of them. The only snake I won't be feeding is the corn snake. So sit back, relax, and watch the video. Alright, let's see if my girl is in a better mood today. Time to eat. Oh. Alright, come on, Diablo. Ready, buddy? Like I said, he's in shed, so pretty sure he's still ready to eat. Alright, doesn't look like he's hungry. Well, since he doesn't want to eat, I'll feed this one to the Cheeto. Alright, last is going to be Tofu. And last week, when I wasn't filming, she took the mouse from the tongs. So maybe we can get lucky today. Catch it on video, which I highly doubt. You can always try. You know what? I'm gonna try what I did last time. I'm gonna put her in the cave to where her head can just stick out. And then so she can't see me, but she can still see the mouse. And maybe she'll strike at the mouse if I do that. All right, so she's in the cave and I'm behind her, so she can't see me. Let's see. Oh, crap.